Hello everyone, welcome to my video. Before I start, let me introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Fikri Mukorompit. I am 18 years old and I am a student from Gorontalo State University majoring in English language education. As you can see in this video, I made to fulfill my final project of English Phonetics and Phonology course with the name of the lecture Mrs. Hanisa Hanafi. Here I will explain the result of my analysis of what phonological processes occur after I listening to a voice recording from my friend, whose name is Ahmad Zidan Manoroingsom, 18 years old and a student from the same college with program study Indonesian language and literature. And here's the recording.
Imagine waking up every day feeling stuck in the same routine, facing and struggles, and wondering why nothing ever improves. We dream of success, happiness, and growth, but how often do we ask ourselves, "What am I doing differently?" Because the truth is, nothing changes if nothing changes. We all have goals. Some of us want to get healthier. Some want to start a business. Some want to improve relationship, and others want to break free from bad habits. But wanting something is not enough. Wishing, hoping, and waiting won't move us forwards. Action does. Let's take a simple example. If you want to be physically fit but continue eating unhealthy food and avoiding exercise, will anything change? No. If you want to be financially independent but keep making the same spending choices, will your bank account grow? No. If you want to improve your grades but never change your study habits, will your results improve? Of course not. This is where most people get stuck. They expect different results while repeating the same behaviors. That's like trying to reach a new destination without ever taking a different road. Change starts when we do something different.
So, well, after I hearing the recording, I found four phonological processes that occur when Zidane spoke. Is a deletion, addition, assimilation, and devoicing. So, what the meaning of these phonological processes? Including by the meaning, deletion is described as the lack of acoustic evidence for the realization of segments in the oral stream. Addition is a phonological process where a sound or segment is added to a word or phrase to facilitate pronunciation. Assimilation is a elaborate that when the two elements become more similar, usually in terms of the location of consonants, styles, or sounds, the process of assimilation occurs while harmony occurs across the other segments. Assimilation is the process by which two neighboring segments become more alike. Devoicing is the process of changing the sound of a consonant from voice to voiceless. Here, I will explain 8 mistakes that occur in the recording. Number 1. Word changes. Occurs the process of deletion. The sound j in the word changes, which is in the position before the end of the word sound, which is in the middle between sound n and sound s, with distinct feature of j plus consonantal plus coronal plus high plus strident and plus voice, and sound s plus anterior plus coronal plus strident dan plus voice, and sound n with distinct feature plus nasal plus anterior plus coronal and plus voice. Number 2. Word change. The process of deletion also occurs in the sound j in the word change, then followed by the process of adding the sound s, which is in the position at the end of the sound of the word, namely n, with distinct feature of sounds j plus consonantal plus coronal plus high plus strident and plus voice, and sound s with distinct feature plus anterior plus coronal plus strident and plus voice, and then sound n with distinct feature plus nasal plus anterior plus coronal and plus voice, which is due to the speaker who does not seem to know how to pronounce this word with the correct pronunciation, also because of his way of speaking, which is still using a tone of speech that comes from the mother tongue. Next, number 3, word success. In this mistake of saying success, the sound a changes shape to the sound a, and is affected by the previous sound, namely s, which make it almost the same sound due to the low different sound which occurs in the position after the initial word success, and thus this error is included in the assimilation process. With distinct feature, sound a plus vocalic minus low plus back and plus voice turn into sound a plus vocalic plus low plus back and plus voice. Add the sound k with distinct feature plus abrupt release plus low plus back and plus voice. Number 4, word nothing. In this mistake, in the word nothing, there is a change in the sound a, sounds which is after the initial sound of the word sound n, which then changes to the sound o, which also occurs because the speaker pronounces this word according to the form of his writing, which should be pronounced nothing, instead pronounces nothing. With distinct feature, sounds a plus vocalic plus low plus tense plus back plus voice turn into sound o with distinct feature plus vocalic minus low plus tense plus back plus round plus voice. Add the sound the with distinct feature plus anterior minus coronal plus abrupt release minus voice. Number 5, word business. In this mistake, word business, there is a change in the pronunciation of the sound z, sound which changes to the sound s, because it is influenced by the previous sound, namely e, which should be pronounced business, instead pronounces business, so that when the speaker pronounces it, the sound almost like the same but become different because the emphasis of the voice. Thus, this error is included in the assimilation process, which distinct feature sound z plus anterior plus coronal plus strident and plus voice turn into sound s with distinct feature plus anterior plus coronal plus strident and minus voice. Add the sound e with distinct feature plus vocalic minus continuant plus high and minus voice. Number 6, word your. In this mistake, said your, there is a change of the sound o to sound u, where there is a difference in the tense and height, so that the previous sound y is also affected. What should be pronounced your, instead pronounce it your, and this also causes the speaker to stammer a bit in pronouncing. Hence, this is included in the assimilation process with distinct feature sound O plus vocalic plus round plus tense plus back minus high and plus sound turn into sound U with distinct feature plus vocalic plus round minus tense plus high plus back and plus sound. Before the sound ear with the distinct feature plus vocalic plus consonantal minus tense plus high and plus voice. Number 7, word sound, which in this mistake said some. There is also a change, namely the sound a sound changes to the sound o, sound which is affected by the previous sound s, and also this is because the speaker is rather quick when the pronouncing it, so that it is included in the process of assimilation with distinct feature of sound a plus vocalic plus low plus tense plus back and plus sounds turn into sound o with distinct feature plus vocalic minus low minus tense plus back plus round and plus voice, and the sound with distinct feature plus consonantal plus nasal plus anterior and plus voice. Number 8, word that's. In this mistake, the word that's, there is a process where the sound emphasis of the sound the sound is reduced and changes to the sound th, where what should be pronounced that is pronounced that by the speaker, so that there is also a difference in the release of the voice in the abrupt release, and the phonological process in the mispronunciation of this word is included in the devoicing process with distinct feature of sound plus consonant minus abrupt release plus anterior plus coronal plus voice turn into sound th with distinct feature plus consonant plus abrupt release plus anterior plus coronal and minus voice. So that's the result of my analysis of the phonological process. Thank you for watching until the end, and I'm Muhammad Fikri Mukarrampit, and thanks for watching.